idli and chutney, this is my favorite food, and I can enjoy it anytime during the day. And whatever food I make, I always try to add protein to it because I'm a vegetarian. So today, my favorite food. We also give a protein twist to idli. Today, we are making protein-packed Moong Dal Idli, and to make this idli even tastier, I will add some vegetables to it now. So, to make Moong Dal Idli, I have taken this yellow moong dal without skin here. 1 cup, and soak it for 2 hours. It has been soaked, and if you want, you can also make it with moong dal with skin. So let's start making the idli batter. I have taken 1/4 cup of regular semolina, and first, we will soak it in 1/4 cup of yogurt. And now we will set this aside and grind the dal. Now, in a mixer jar, let's take this soaked moong dal. Use as little water as possible while grinding because the idli batter should be a bit thick. While grinding the dal, I also add 2 green chilies and a small piece of ginger. But this is totally optional. You can avoid it if you want. Take out the moong dal batter into a mixing bowl, and now add the soaked semolina to the moong dal. I add salt to the mixture and then mix everything together. And now let's add some vegetables. Here I have grated carrot and cilantro. If you want, you can use spinach or onion as well. Now let's mix the vegetables well into the batter. At this stage, if you want, you can also add a tempered spice mixture to the batter, but I am not adding it at all. The idli batter is completely ready now. Right now, we will not add any fruit salt to it. Before that, we will lightly grease the idli stand with oil or ghee. We'll already have the container the idlis will steam in on the stove with water coming to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt, which we call eno. As soon as we add the fruit salt, we will immediately mix the batter and pour it into the idli stand. And now we will steam the idlis for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check once to see if the idlis are ready or not. The idlis are completely ready. Let's take the hot idlis out onto a plate. Let's plate the hot moong dal idlis, and today I've served the idlis with tomato chutney. So here it is, hot and high protein moong dal idlis with tangy tomato chutney. Look at this. These idlis turn out so soft and fluffy, and they taste really delicious. Look at this. These idlis taste so delicious, don't they? And they just melt in your mouth. They're too good.